Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. I am so excited. I'm up in my office and the mail person just delivered our mail, and this box from Jordan Essentials has something pretty fun and exciting in it. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So if you're new, my name is Natasha and I'm a consultant with Jordan Essentials, and I love to share tips and tricks around my home, things I'm working on. I'm always trying to live a simple, decluttered life. I am definitely not there yet, but that's always my goal. Plus, I love to have healthy, non-toxic products in my home for our family to use. And so that's why I became a consultant with Jordan Essentials back in 2004. And I have continued to love the products. I'm really excited because this Thursday I head to Jordanvention, which is our annual convention every year for the consultants. So I'm going to get to see the new fall products and the new catalog in person. But meanwhile, this month I earned Green by 15 once again. That's a special incentive program for any consultant that wants to do it. And when you earn Green by 15, you get to order the next month's Joyful Jordan box for free, and you get it shipped to you early. So what's in this box is a couple of things that I ordered, plus my August Joyful Jordan box. And I have heard that this is a really special box. August is the owner Nancy's birthday month. So let's see, here is Nancy right there. And so she usually does some extra special things in August. But I have heard that this box, which normally our Joyful Jordan boxes are valued around $40, but I've heard this box is valued closer to $60, and the box is always $29. So I'm excited for that, to see what's in this box. Some of the things I grabbed were some conditioner, and I thought I was trying to remember why I got two conditioners. I remember now, my daughter needed some. I actually really liked our cherry almond scented conditioner, but they've already sold out of that. And I'm hoping that in this new catalog, we're gonna have maybe oatmeal milk and honey scented conditioner, or maybe they're just reformulating it. I'm not sure. But meanwhile, I picked up some of the coconut lime because at our house, my daughter and I both have curly hair, and we go through the conditioner because that's what works so good on our natural curly hair. And then I got some of our glycerin soap. This Dead Sea Salt glycerin soap is my husband's favorite. So it smells, I always love how that smells. It's just fresh and clean. So that'll go in our main bathroom. That's just keeping up the supply that we have on hand. So here it is, the August Joyful Jordan box. So let me set this big box aside. But before I do, there's something in here. What is this? I think it's something else I ordered. I just can't remember what it is. Oh yes, I picked up one of the Hope hand and body lotions with magnesium because I needed that in the bathroom. Okay. So now this is our current catalog, the spring summer catalog, and that'll be going away as of this weekend. So for now, I'm just going to set that aside. And here it is, the August Joyful Jordan box. So I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you have any guesses on what could be inside the box. It's usually 3 items, sometimes 4 items. Often it's something that's a special scent or a special formulation that's not in the regular catalog. Sometimes it's a regular item, but it's in a different size. So it could be a travel size or something unique like that. So without further ado, let's take a look at this little box of awesomeness. And I'm already loving this little card. So each box is going to come with a card that'll just tell you about what's in the box. This one says, "Save the bees, be yourself, be beautiful, be kind." So I'm guessing we're going to have some honey related things in here, which is awesome. Then the back of the card is going to tell us some details about the products in the box. So it says, "Always be your unique, beautiful self, and let your skin glow like honey by nourishing it with natural ingredients and vitamins." So to start off with, we have our oatmeal milk and touch of honey glycerin soap. And we do have oatmeal milk and honey soap in our catalog, but I think this is a little bit different formulation is what I'm guessing. So it says Enhanced with a touch of real honey, it helps provide antioxidants and extra nourishment. Lather up in the shower or at the sink and pamper your skin with the goodness of natural ingredients. Gentle glycerin soap helps keep skin moisturized. So I am excited to give this a little sniff. I wish I had smell-o-vision so you guys could smell. See, there's a little bit of oatmeal at the top. Oh, that smells so good. Oatmeal milk and honey is my all-time favorite scent. It's been around since I started back in 2004, and I still love it. And I'm excited to try this bar with that added touch of honey. So that'll be really nice to add to the bathroom when we get ready to get another bar of soap out. Next, we have Beautiful Age-Defying Serum with Vitamin B. So we have age-defying serum in the regular catalog, but this one is boosted with vitamin B. So it says, boosted B vitamins feed tired skin and add brightness to skin tone and boost the wrinkle-reducing power of the popular age-defying serum. Apply all over face and neck as part of your regular skincare routine. So I'm actually almost out of my age-defying serum. I love using it as my primer for my makeup in the morning. So I'm super excited to have this, and now I can just give this a try. I'll add that to my morning routine and have the extra special boosting power of the vitamin B5 in my usual age-defying serum. So that'll be nice to try. And then the final thing is our oatmeal milk and honey skin relief. Best-selling oatmeal milk and honey phthalate-free fragrance blended with rich shea butter lotion infused with green tea, aloe, chamomile, and seaweed. Skin relief is your family's go-to when you need to repair dry, cracked skin, soothe bug bites, reduce soreness from sun and wind burns, and replenish skin's moisture. Massage directly into dry skin for deep hydration and soothing effects. So we do have a skin relief repair cream in our regular catalog, but it is unscented and we love it. We keep it around. It works great for all kinds of skin issues, just like the card says. But I also love that oatmeal milk and honey scent, so I'm excited to have this one that's got that extra boost with the scent and the repair cream. It's just such a light and nourishing formula. I love how good my skin feels after you apply any of our shea butter lotions. It's so moisturizing and soft, but it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels like it's soaking in and moisturizing my skin. And now my hands just feel silky smooth and soft. And it's awesome to have that with the extra added benefits of the phytonutrients of the green tea, aloe, seaweed, and chamomile. So this is a really good box, valued at around $60 because none of these are travel size. These are full-size products, and they're awesome with the extra boosted B vitamins in there and the honey. So this is a really good chance to try some of our regular items that are boosted and just see what you think. So I will have everything linked down below. You can use my special shopping link to go over to my web store and pick up your own Joyful Jordan box. They'll be available August 1st through the end of August 31st, 2023. And like I said, these are a really great value. You can subscribe if you want to have the box shipped to you automatically every month. Then you pay nothing for shipping. It'll just charge your card for the $29 box plus tax, and it'll ship out automatically. And every box is a surprise. You don't know what's coming, but it's going to be filled with some really good products. Jordan Essentials is based out of Nixa, Missouri, so everything is made in the U.S., and it's a woman-owned company. So it's just a really good company to support, and these are awesome products to get in your home and to be sharing with your family. So thanks for joining me. I'm so glad that you stopped in to see what was in the August Joyful Jordan box. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. I'll be back on Friday with my beautifully organized in 52 weeks video, on Sunday with a planning video, and Tuesday with a tiny tidy video. So lots more ways to connect and share what's going on around my home. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.